Okay, if you have two Facebook accounts, so see, I have two Facebook accounts. One's my daughter's, one's mine. Well, if you want to be able to use both of them at the same time on Messenger without having to keep sign in, sign out, sign in, sign out, what you do is you download. Okay, so I got this Messenger right here. You download Messenger, and then you also download Messenger Lite. So I did that. So now I have both my accounts on running at the same time. See, there's my account on Lite, and on Messenger, there's her account. See? So, with that being said, what you can do is, look, I'll show you that it works. Okay, so here's me on Messenger Lite. I can call myself. See, I just called myself with her, and I called myself on the Messenger Lite. So, that's all you gotta do, and it works. So now, then you can have two, and I bet you can even do this. I bet there's a Facebook Lite. Let's find out. There is. So I'm assuming this also works with Facebook Lite. If you want to have open up, it's great if you have two accounts or if you share a phone with somebody. So that should work for you. Have a good day.